Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 4 Pro. And the first one, when you listen to music or watching a movie, you don't need to use your phone. You can control this music or movie or film by a gesture. And right here at the back side we have SOUNDPEATS logo, and this is actually a touch area, and with it you can tap on it or double tap, triple tap. You can play or pause the song, you can play next track, you can volume control the music or movie or something. You can also with it call voice assistant, you can enable or disable game mode, so there's a lot of features with it. Next one, you can improve your listening experience by changing equalizer preset, sorry. And you need to install the application and add your earbuds to the application. If you don't know how, at this channel we have a video about it. And right here we have equalizer, so here's a lot of presets. You can select the best one for you. Here's bass boost also, this is my favorite preset. Also, I recommend it to try adaptive equalizer. If you don't know how to set up it, again, at this channel we have a video about it. And you just enable it and use it. Next one, these earbuds have ANC, so it's Active Noise Cancellation. And you can enable it in the application or by a gesture, by pressing hold at your left earbud. And now, as you can see, I enable it. And I like this mode also. But if you met someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds. You can enable transparency mode and you can speak with someone. Next one, as I said before, that we can enable game mode, and yes, these earbuds have game mode, so if you play games I recommend it to use it, but you may experience connection instability with this mode, so I don't recommend it to use it all the time, just when you play games. Next one, I tested the microphone on these headphones, and these headphones have really good microphone. I hear myself clearly when I spoke softly, I hear myself clearly when I spoke normally, and also this like this microphone on these earbuds mutes street sounds. So it's a good one. Actually, these headphones have 3 microphone on each of the earbuds. The last one, if you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can easily perform a factory reset, and you have 2 options how to perform it. The first one, you can open the application, and right here you have a reset button. You just click on it, then click reset, and it will reset your earbuds, and you just reconnect it to your phone. Or you can put it to the charging case, and then do not close the lid, just press and hold at the control, at the connection button at the bottom of the charging case until this LED light flashed 2 times white. It's something like 10 seconds. And now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!